to show you. From the way you touch me and kiss me to the sparkle in your eyes. Oh, how I love you.
Can I stay a bit longer?
Stay forever.
Can I stay a bit longer?
Stay forever.
At the back of our school was like an alley, and I was in like 3rd grade, and there was this chick I had a crush on, and we were walking back there, and then I held her hand, and then she kept holding my hand, and then we walked to right before you walk out the alley, and she turned and gave me a kiss on my lips, and let go of my hand and ran into like fucking recess, and I was like, yo.